Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to place for unbiased, in-depth product reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Dash Chef Series Deluxe Digital 64-Odds Countertop Blender, a powerhouse kitchen tool designed to elevate your blending game. Whether you're making smoothies, nut butters, soups, or even flours, this blender promises to handle it all with ease. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Dash Chef Series Deluxe Digital Blender is a versatile, high-performance kitchen appliance made for the home chef who wants professional results. It features a robust 2.25 horsepower motor, which means you've got the muscle to tackle almost any blending task you throw at it. It comes with 8 preset functions designed to simplify your process, whether you're whipping up a smoothie, grinding nuts, or even making hot soups. These presets include options for everything from frozen cocktails to baby food purees, making it an all-in-one solution for a variety of kitchen needs. The 64-Aughts Tritan jug is not only large but incredibly durable, designed to resist cracking or breaking even under tough use. With a 6-point Japanese stainless steel blade, this blender ensures that it stays sharp for the long haul, even when grinding nuts or milling grains into flours. Plus, the integrated USB charging port and tablet stand are thoughtful features that blend convenience into the mix, making it more than just a blender. When it comes to real-world use, this blender doesn't disappoint. Setting it up was quick and simple, no complex instructions here. I immediately tested a few of the presets, starting with a smoothie. The motor powered through frozen fruits and ice with ease, producing a smooth, creamy texture in just a few seconds. And the nut butter preset worked surprisingly well, grinding almonds into a creamy paste with minimal effort. I also gave the soup function a try, blending a mix of cooked vegetables and broth. The results were impressive, smooth and perfectly heated without any burning or uneven texture. The blender's ability to handle both cold and hot ingredients is definitely a standout feature, making it a one-stop shop for nearly every blending need. However, I did notice that while the motor is powerful, it can be a bit on the louder side compared to some other blenders in this price range. It's not obnoxious, but it's worth mentioning if you're sensitive to noise. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Dash Chef Series Deluxe is incredibly easy to use, especially with the digital interface and preset functions. It's also built to last, thanks to the stainless steel blades and durable Tritan jug. The large 64-Aughts capacity is perfect for larger batches, and it really shines in terms of versatility. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or nut butters, it does it all well. The inclusion of a USB port and tablet stand is a unique touch that sets it apart from many blenders in this class. On the flip side, the motor's noise level is something to consider if you need a quieter appliance. Also, while it performs incredibly well in most areas, it may be a bit overkill for those who only need a blender for basic tasks like smoothies or shakes. The size and power might feel excessive for those looking for something more compact or budget-friendly. In terms of value for money, the Dash Chef Series Deluxe is priced on the higher end, but it's hard to argue with the performance. You're not just getting a blender. You're getting an appliance that can do the work of several different machines. Given its build quality, power, and versatility, the price seems justified for anyone looking for a top-tier blender that will last. However, if you're someone who only needs a blender for basic tasks, you might find that there are more affordable options that still get the job done. When compared to other blenders in this category, the Dash Chef Series Deluxe stands out thanks to its 2.25 horsepower motor, wide range of preset functions, and its ability to handle both cold and hot ingredients. Competing models may offer similar motor power or features, but few match this blender's combination of durability and versatility. The USB charging port and tablet stand are also rare features that put it in a class of its own. If you're comparing it to other premium blenders like the Vitamix or Blendtec, it's not quite as well known, but it holds its own in terms of function and value. Build quality is one of the strongest aspects of this blender. The stainless steel blades are sharp and durable, promising a long life. The Tritan jug, known for its shatterproof properties, is another win here. While I don't have long-term data on this specific model yet, Based on the construction materials and brand reputation, it's safe to say that it should hold up well over time, especially if maintained properly. The fact that it can easily handle tough tasks like milling grains or grinding nuts only reinforces its durability. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out to Dash during my testing, but the brand generally has a solid reputation for customer service. Their warranty is also a nice touch for peace of mind, in case anything does go wrong down the line. The Dash Chef Series Deluxe Digital Blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen tool that caters to a wide range of blending tasks. Its strengths lie in its durability, ease of use, and the unique features like the USB port and tablet stand. The price may be higher than entry-level blenders, but if you're looking for something that can handle everything from smoothies to soups and nut butters, it's a solid investment. For those who need more basic functionality, however, it may feel like overkill. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting blender that delivers professional results, the Dash Chef Series Deluxe is a great choice. Thanks for watching, and if you're already using this blender, feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions in the comments below. The link to get this blender is in the comments box as well. Until next time, thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV, where we keep you in the know.